Hey guys, I'm Ariana if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm showing you guys how to get this really simple but very colorful eye makeup look. Okay, I may have gone a little overboard with the pink, but the technique is super simple. So we're gonna get this going and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I first went in with the Cloud Spun palette by ColourPop. I'm using these two shades, this matte pink shade, and then I also went in with a shimmer pink shade, only two shades. And I'm also going in with these Glamnetic lashes. So these lashes do have a tint of color in them, which is super interesting. I basically based this whole look off of these lashes. And I want to mention that these lashes are magnetic, so I had to do a little bit of like jumping through hoops to get this look going. But if you have lashes that are colorful, that are not magnetic, then you probably won't have all the trouble that I did in this video. So to get started, I am taking that matte pink shade and I'm just placing it toward the outer corner of my eye, and I'm keeping it basically on the lid. So I'm not taking it higher above my crease, and I'm kind of making a winged shape toward the outer corner, and I'm literally just leaving it on the last third of my eyelid, and this is what it should look like. So after I have the pigment as pigmented and as bright as I want it on there on the lid, I'm just going to go back in with the brush that I kind of cleaned off, and I'm just kind of blending in the shade that goes toward the lid, just to make it look nice and gradual and not just like super harsh, like there's just pink out of nowhere. So I'm going in with my Lula liner felt tip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and create the graphic wing situation we have going on. So I just started toward the outer corner where the end of my waterline meets my lash line. I'm having trouble speaking today as well. And I'm just creating a wing, and then I'm bringing it up toward the tail of my eyebrow, and then I'm just kind of creating that corner V triangle look right on top. So I'm not making this too long either toward the top, and then I just connected it to that bottom wing just to make it nice and gradual looking. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and I'll tell you exactly what I'm talking about. So like I said, I'm creating that wing going from my lash line going up toward the tail of my brow, and we're literally just kind of outlining that pink shape, creating a wing shape look, okay? I got some eyeliner in my eyebrow, but after you create that first line, you're going to go ahead and create that triangle, and it's very important that you don't make this too long because that can change the whole entire look. We're going for simple, effortless, but colorful, and then that little gradual swoop into the wing is what's going to kind of tie the whole entire graphic liner look together. It's going to make it look natural as I guess graphic eyeliner looks, but it's gonna make it kind of just flow together nice and blended gradually, you know what I mean. So the last thing that I did was I went in with that shimmer shade, and I'm just placing it right in the inner corner. So I did kind of want to add some color toward the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyes, and depending on how much you want to bring the inner corner into your eyelid, you definitely can. I tend to go like pretty far in, but if you want to keep it just on the inner corner of your eye, you definitely can. So now I'm going in with my magnetic liner. I had to really speed up the process on this because I didn't want this to dry down too much before I could put on my lashes because they are magnetic. So I had to kind of swipe these on, do both of my eyes, swipe on my mascara, and then apply the lashes. So this kind of little mini liner is the magnetic liner that I got. That these did not actually come with the lashes, but this is a magnetic liner that I had. So I'm trying my best to kind of work with this, apply it, kind of meet it and blend it in with that outer wing that we have going on. But I'm sure if you're doing this with like regular lashes, you'll be so fine. I was really struggling here. So I went ahead and applied my mascara. I did get some of the liner on the mascara, and magnetic liner is much different consistency than a regular eyeliner, so I was like trying to pay attention to my lashes and make sure that there were no clumpiness going on. And I did the same thing on the other eye. So this is basically it for the eye makeup. I didn't do anything to the lower lash line because I do feel like there's a lot going on. Also want to mention that my attention to detail, to kind of declumping my lashes, added a lot of mascara to my lid, which I kind of neglected to remove, but don't forget to do that. So this is me applying the lashes. They are very interesting. Like when you look at them, they like head on into my face. You can't really see the pink, but when I close my eyes, you can definitely see the pink on the lashes toward like the top of these lashes. So they are really pretty, super interesting. They're very, very, interesting. You see, I'm just a lot going on today. So the last thing that I did was clean up the outer corner. So I did have some of the pink shadow kind of peek through that graphic liner situation, and I kind of wanted it to be as clean as possible. I didn't kind of want like that shadow look coming out of the eyeliner from the underneath, so I went ahead and cleaned that up. And this is also where you can make your eyeliner symmetrical if it's not already. So I went in with some concealer, just swiped that on and blended that out. And then I actually did kind of go in to clean up the mascara. So to do this, if you do get mascara on your face, on your lids, you can take a clean spoolie after the mascara dries, and you can just kind of scrub it out really lightly with not too much pressure, just so you don't ruin the base makeup that you have on. And it just literally just comes right off. So I guess I forgot, I don't know what the heck I was doing, but I missed a couple dots of mascara on my lid. But that was me trying to perfect this look. I obviously missed a couple places, but this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think, if you would wear this. You can definitely switch up the colors, but I wanted to keep it pink because I had these pink lashes. That was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!